This is a quick video about rope. If you need to make a rope, and not only for survival, I mean, you never know when you're going to need to tie things down in a storm, or, I mean, everybody should have rope in their house. This is a really good rope, and I've been using different spool knitters and Lucets, and I've come up with, this is a really good rope. This is a 2.5-inch wide Lucet. This is bulky weight acrylic yarn, and 1.5 ounces pulled tightly as you work it will make 15 feet of rope. And very simple to do. You could have the kids doing it if you want. It is acrylic, so I wouldn't use it for mountain climbing. But I've tried to break it, and I can't break it. I do intend on testing it by throwing it over a tree branch and testing my weight on the rope. And in that way, I'll know how much it'll hold. It's a good rope. So if you just need to make rope for the household, bulky weight yarn, 1.5 ounces will make 15 feet.